They got plenty of time on the play clock. Receivers in forward motion, and a snap to Myler, a handoff to Clarke up the left side. He's into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. Palazzo sends the receivers in forward motion, throws out to Williams to the near side. Williams looking for the first down. He does not get it. Holding the lead. 2 early touchdowns from both sides. Ruiz sends this one high and away. It's a low ball that gets fielded by Williams in the end zone. Williams cuts back to the right side. He's got a little space near. Cuts back. Williams has a little bit of space. Brought down by the shoulder pad. Myler in the shotgun. 2 receivers to the far, 2 to the near. Empty look. Snap to Myler as he pulls this one down. Caught by Kimo. Clarke as he breaks the tackle. Clarke off to the races. 10, 5. Looking for the end zone. Touchdown. Green Bay Blizzard.
What another statement from the Blizzard. 1 play, 1 touchdown. Clarke with his 2nd of the game.
Mevis getting ready to sweep the leg. 7:18 to go in the first quarter. It's going to be a line drive. It bounces and stays in the field of play. Williams has to field it off the wall. Keon Williams cuts back, and he's brought down inside the 10-yard line. Nigel, 2 receivers, Taylor and Williams in forward motion. Snap to Palazzo. 3-man rush downfield again. Looking for Keyshawn Taylor. It's intercepted. Kevin Ransom. Perhaps a bit of an arm punt, but the first turnover forced by this Blizzard defense in 2025. Palazzo sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap, 3-man rush. Palazzo steps up in the pocket, he's hit, and he's sacked. Meatball Smith. Palazzo in the shotgun, Clausen to his left. Low snap, Palazzo looking for the crossing route. Pressure's on, Palazzo spitting out, looks to throw across his body, and over everyone into the Barnstormers bench. Rui, line drive. Mack running up on this one off his chest as he picks it up and breaks a tackle. He's got space. Joshua Mack bowling. Clarke splits out as a receiver. Empty look for the Blizz. Myler rolls around. Has time. Looks for TJ Davis on the near side. I thought he was looking for Zane Lewis. Myler rolls around. Has time. Looks for TJ Davis on the
for these 2 teams.
This is one of the first times I think I've seen someone try to match the tush push here in the IFL with this much brute force. Myler takes the snap and Henry pushes him in. Touchdown, Green Bay. Kymani Clarke, the running back. Myler pump fakes. Rolls around, he's got time. He's got Andre Williams open inside the 5. Myler in the shotgun. 2 receivers near side, 1 to the far. Patron and Lewis in forward motion. Another flag. Myler rolling out. Throws across his body. He's got Kymani Clarke open. Touchdown, Green Bay. We'll check in on that flag, but
it has been those deep shots, especially to Keon Williams.
Snap to Palazzo. 4-man rush. Smith runs out of that one. Palazzo's hitting sacks. It's Allen Henry coming in on the play. Those 4 returners. Myler takes a snap, a 4-man rush. Myler has to throw this one away, and it's caught by Andre Williams. That's Zane Lewis. Clarke into the backfield. Handoff. Clarke up the middle. Looks for the end zone. He's in. Touchdown, Green Bay. Hood and Taylor to go in forward motion. Palazzo takes a snap, 4-man rush, looking for the end zone pass, broken up! Nigel Canada rips it right away from Keon Williams. Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, fakes the handoff. Myler looking downfield, low Patron! Caught inside the 10! Snap and a pitch out. Clarke, he's got blockers. Snap and a pitch out. Clarke, he's got blockers. Clarke looking for the goal line. He is in. Touchdown, Green.
For number 3.
Low snap to Collazo. Pass broken up. It was Sir Zion Dance, the linebacker, who came over to break that one up. Collazo out of the empty look. Sends the receivers in forward motion. Takes a snap. Three-man rush. Over the middle. Pass broken up by Washington. It was Dance on first down. Washington on second. Three receivers to the far side. One to the near. They got to get a playoff in there. Won't. Game clock was at 0. This play goes on. Collazo spins. He's sacked. It's going to be a safety. So much went wrong for Iowa there. The play clock was under 0. Snap to Myler. Fakes the handoff. He's going to have his blocker into the end zone, over the boards. Touchdown, Green Bay. You don't want your quarterback taking a hit like that, but he seems no worse for wear. He's going to get carried off by his lineman.
That's great. That is great. Yeah, Myler took a shot there, but it didn't really seem to bother him all too much as he put 6 points up on the board. Trying to make some magic happen here for this Iowa offense.
Low snap. Collazo has this one over to Hood. He's decked. It's Cale Jackson coming in out of coverage. Collazo sends the receivers in forward motion. Takes the snap. Hands off. Williams looking for the goal line. Trying to push forward. He's denied. Well, it keeps 2 points off the board. Iowa out of timeouts. Myler snowed under by Henry. Picks up the positive yardage. And game clock falls under play, and that will do it. Green Bay comes away with win number 1 on the season. Their first win in a home opener since 2012.